Well, Alan, Tonomi, and Luca had to go home. So Huey and I are staying another night. Gonna have some potatoes, bratwurst, and we got about 10 more oysters left. And they've been in chilling on ice all day. They're still alive, so I gotta start a fire. But we gotta do a walk first, a big one. Gotta get the fire ready for the oysters. Huey and I are on our own. So, here we go. This is what we call a cheapy teepee. Well, looks like we're roughing it tonight. Gonna do some corn. This is really cool, man, for toasted cheese sandwiches. But I'm gonna do some garlic bread and a little sweet corn. Looking good. That's how we do it. Tad bit of cooking, look at that. That's how I got my logo with the sun. It's a little bright now. It's brilliant. Well, I don't know where my dog went. Yeah, this place really sucks. It's no fun at all. Vámonos! Vámonos! All right. Like and enjoy my videos anyway. I'm out here doing hard work for you guys.